Rewiring.com here. This is a camper video. Right now I'm removing all the old wiring that was in the camper. The power thing used to be over there, and this is everything they were using. So I'm taking all this old stuff out just so I can know what wire is what and have a fresh, and I know all the good wires I put in. These were the old AC wiring here. I already started taking some out. I am gonna keep a few wires. These wires I'm gonna leave that run the lights. These all work, so then I don't have to rewire the out exterior marking lights, blinkers, and all that. Which are these ones: the left blinker, right blinker, ground, reverse, and all that stuff. So I'm keeping these, but I'm pulling out. This is the old AC wires. Got to come out. These wires, taking these out, and then just keep pulling them out. I'm just, because I can kind of reuse these wires, so I mean, otherwise you could just cut them. I am cutting them where, like, I'll probably cut this one here, up there, cut all these out, take out all these wires here, cut them or pull them out. So I already kind of started this, so hopefully, yeah, I should have took them out before putting up, but I was thinking about keeping them, but just another thing that's got to be done here. This should go pretty quick though, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of have a video of the old wiring, just to kind of see where I know where they ran it and all that stuff. But I thought about keeping it, but yep, it's coming out. Alright. Dovon.com.